In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accordion widget on a Wix website. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your Wix editor without any confusion. If you want to organize content in a clean, space-saving way, an accordion widget is a great option. It lets visitors click to expand and collapse sections, which is especially useful for FAQs, service details, product information, or anything else you want to present in a neat layout. To begin, go to the top left area of the Wix editor and click Add. This is where Wix keeps the elements you can place onto your page. After that, click Elements to open the available design and content options for your site. Once you're there, use the search feature and type in accordion. This is the fastest way to locate the exact element you need, especially if you want to avoid scrolling through multiple categories. When the accordion option appears, click the accordion tab to view the available choices. From here, choose the accordion widget that you like best. Wix may show you different styles, so pick one that matches the look and feel of your website. After you click on the design you want, it will be added to your page. That's it for inserting the widget. Now, if you want to edit the accordion, simply double-click on it. When you do, an edit option will appear, giving you access to the main content and setup for the widget. This is where you can start adjusting it to better fit your website. You can also use the settings options that appear along the top when the widget is selected. These controls allow you to customize the accordion in more detail. For example, you can change the color so it matches your branding, manage the items inside the accordion, customize the icons, update the text, and adjust other visual details. This is helpful if you want the widget to feel fully integrated with the rest of your site, rather than looking like a default element. As you make changes, take a moment to preview how everything looks. Make sure the text is easy to read, the sections are clearly labeled, and the colors work well with your overall design. A well-edited accordion should feel easy for visitors to use and visually consistent with the page. That's how to add and edit an accordion widget on a Wix website. Once you've placed it and customized the settings, you'll have a more organized and user-friendly section on your site.